How long does it really take to pull in ₱1 million as a car salesman in Iloilo? And honest answer, 3 months. But that's very, very subjective. Of course, it really depends on the agent. You see, I have a teammate. He actually banked 366,000 in a single month. That's pure profit from commissions, bonuses, incentives, salaries, all in. The numbers are real. I've even gone past that myself, and sounds pretty sweet, right? Like sign me up. But here's the kicker: the part where nobody actually talks about. During that time, where the month that I almost hit $500,000, my body just started to shut down. I mean, 2 a.m. was my alarm clock those times. If I woke up at 4 a.m., that was considered oversleeping for me. And I know it varies, okay, person to person. My wrists were inflamed. My hips felt like they belonged to an 80-year-old person, early arthritis. I mean, man, I wasn't leaving. I was just chasing nonstop, chasing leads, chasing quotas, chasing people who sent me message but ghosted me, nonstop rejections, deals collapsing, clients vanishing. It felt like I was literally bleeding money that fell apart last minute, and I was losing time with my son, time that I could never get back. And I come home, and I'd come home. I'm physically there, but my brain was just still chasing. No rest. I couldn't switch off. And my colleagues, actually, some of my colleagues, one actually collapsed, others hospitalized, one was in rehab for his back, and the last one is on maintenance medication right now. Ain't that something, huh? Yeah. That's what, it hit me that life pays you in direct proportion to your effort. Look, if you're in sales, forget about shortcuts. You're not just moving metal. You're selling time, your trust, your relentless follow-up, your presence. I wasn't the slickest guy. I was not the best. I wasn't the flashy type or anything. I showed up, I follow up, even when I was totally fried. I literally sacrificed my health for this. And here's the brutal truth, okay? You can earn million faster than you think, but only if you're genuinely ready to give everything in return. It's not about luck, not some special promo, no magic bullet. It's just compound effort, okay? It's totally subjective. Depends entirely on the agent. So today, I'm out of the dealership grind. My body and mind honestly just tapped out. But I look back, no regrets, because I truly, give it my all. And, if you're out there in the trenches right now, keep pushing. Your million could be 6 months out or 6 years. But if you genuinely give it 100%, it will meet you halfway. And when that milestone hits you, $1 million won't just be about the money. It'll be about who you actually became during the fight, okay? And if this actually hit you, this video, if you're tired of the bullshit and want more real stories from inside the car industry, give us a follow. I don't sugarcoat anything. Give this a like or a thumbs up, or comment the next topic. Thank you.